We have a live super Doppler for impact day for today and Friday. Due to these numerous scattered thunderstorms that we have, we're also in a low end risk for severe weather the next couple days. And there is that chance for some localized flooding with those storms that are moving through the area. They're slow moving and they're producing quite a bit of rain. These storms are also producing lots of strong winds, hail, flooding, and tornadoes. Not as big of a threat in the next couple days with these storms, but those winds have really been picking up. We've seen that over the past couple hours. So today in the upstate in South Carolina, we are in that low end risk for severe weather, and tomorrow as well. So just because we are in that low risk doesn't necessarily mean we won't see some of these severe storms picking up over the next couple days. Activity off to our east, it's pretty severe as well. And then here in our area in the upstate, those storms are getting kick-started as well. In Lawrence County, we have this one strong storm moving on into Newberry as well. And then northern Pickens in Greenville County also has a pretty strong storm cell as well, producing quite a bit of heavy rain and some lightning. Spartanburg's getting a couple downpours as well. So here in Greenville, it's starting to get a little bit stormy. In Anderson as well, it's still looking a little bit clear. And then in Spartanburg, you can see it's already got some rain, and in Asheville, you can see those storms off in the distance. So it's relatively calm here in the upstate right now. Not too much going on as far as storms. Over in the mountains area, it is a bit more active. We have some storms producing quite a bit of lightning, but mainly it's just really warm and hot. In the upstate right now, the temperatures are in the low to mid 90s. In the mountains, a little bit cooler, but those feels like temperatures are all the way up in the 100s, so very hot, very humid. Tomorrow conditions are looking really nice and sunny all day, and those temperatures are only going to warm up. We start at about 70 degrees here in the morning, but those are going to warm up pretty nicely into by midday to around 91 degrees, and we might see some increased cloud coverage as well as we get into the evening hours. But those conditions are going to carry over into the 4th of July weekend as well. We'll start off the morning pretty dry and cool, around 71 degrees, and then by the afternoon it's going to be hot and humid. Those temperatures are going to have really ramped up to around 92 degrees. But by the evening time, we'll have a little bit of a decrease in those temperatures to around 82 degrees. It's still going to be nice and clear as we get ready for those fireworks. Lots of storm fuel in the area in the southeast is helping with this development of storms that we're seeing across the mountains region specifically. We have some rather strong storms here in Henderson County, just east of Hendersonville, and then a few storms popping up in Jackson County and near Waynesville as well. But overall here in the upstate, it's looking pretty clear. On our Asheville Skycam, you can see some of those storms building off in the distance as well. But overall, pretty comfortable ending to our Friday with temperatures in the upper 80s to 90 degrees. And the mountains a little bit cooler in the lower 70 degrees right now. Over the next 12 hours, those rain chances are going to dwindle pretty quickly. And as we get into the morning as well, those temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s to 70 degrees. And the mountains will be a bit cooler in the lower 60s as well. It'll warm up pretty nicely to the mid 80s in the mountains area and pretty warm in the upstate as well in the lower 90s. So a rather nice summer day for tomorrow is in store. We'll see those storms roll on out of our area later tonight, and Saturday will start off nice, sunny, and clear. As we get in the afternoon, we'll see those storms start to build back up again. Some of these could be strong or severe, but mainly just scattered throughout the area. Sunday will also start off pretty clear before those storms start to build back up in our area. Once again, strong or severe storms are possible. Monday, we still have that moisture lingering in our area. Monday will start off clear, but those storms will start moving on into our area again with some rain, and some heavier downpours and thunderstorms are possible as we get into Monday. Evening, it'll clear off nicely, and Tuesday it should be drying off pretty nice. This weekend, though, it's a good day to get out to the pool. Saturday, it'll be hot, and Sunday, it'll be hot, so you'll definitely want to cool off somehow. And so the pool is definitely a good plan. However, just keep in mind we do have those afternoon storms in the forecast if you do plan to go outside and enjoy the summer weather that we have in store for us. The tropics are looking rather active. We do have this one low-end tropical development near the Yucatan Peninsula. Mainly some thunderstorms and rain, which is what the National Hurricane Center is watching. But other than that, we have a nice weekend in store. The next 4 days are looking with a chance of thunderstorms and temperatures in the lower 90s. It'll cool off just a bit to the mid 80s by Wednesday, and then storms will clear off into the air out of our area as we get into the holiday weekend for the 4th of July. Mountains are looking about the same. Temperatures are going to be in the mid 80s, dropping down a little bit by the midweek before they start warming up again as we get geared up for the 4th of July holidays.